How to use the calendar on an LG phone.
An LG phone with the calendar application open to August 2021.
The calendar application included on your LG phone is the Google Calendar app. This app allows you to add events and reminders and have them sync to your Google account. We'll show you how to create, edit, and delete events, and change the calendar view and settings. Create a new event. To create a new event, open the Calendar app, then tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Fill out the necessary information with title, date, start and stop time.
Fills in title with John's birthday and chooses November 15th as the date with a start time of 6 p.m. and a stop time of 7 p.m. Under Reminders, selects Notification from a drop-down menu, 30 minutes before.
Choose what kind of notifications you want, emails or normal phone notifications, and when you want them, such as 5 minutes before the event, 1 hour before, 1 day before, etc. Once the event is filled out, tap on Save at the bottom right.
Select Save and John's birthday appears in the Calendar app's month view on November 15th.
Edit an event.
Taps on John's birthday from the calendar's month view, which opens a detail view of the event, then changes the start time and end time to 5 p.m. and 9 p.m.
To edit an event, tap on the event in the calendar, then tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Make the desired changes, then tap on Save at the bottom right. Delete an event.
Opens John's birthday event from the month view and deletes it.
To delete an event, tap on the event in the calendar. Then tap on the trash bin icon at the top right. Tap on Delete. Change calendar view. To change the current calendar view, tap on the 3 lines at the top left, then tap on the desired view for day, week, month, year, or agenda. View and modify calendar settings. To view and modify calendar settings, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, then tap on Settings, then find and modify the desired setting or settings.
Phone screen turns to black with LG's logo. LG, life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.